Welcome students. So we are in the first unit, that is Android and its tools. So now we will study about the second topic, that is history of Android operating system and various development tools available in Android. Course outcome of this unit is interpret the various features of Android operating system. The learning outcome includes we will see the history of Android operating system and different development tools for developing an application in Android. POs satisfied are PO1, PO4, PO6 and PO7. So coming to the history of Android, before Android operating system, Symbian operating system was used for mobile platforms or for mobile technology. Symbian operating system was used, like in features phone of Nokia, which were used 10 to 15 years back, which had a small screen and keypad of numbers as well as alphabet. The screen size was very small and almost 99% mobiles were of black and white screen. So due to the emerging technologies in mobile development and due to the evolvement of Android technology, a new era of mobile screens was developed. The size of the screens was increased from millimeters to inches. Now currently we have 6-inch screen or 7-inch screen, or we have a tablets of screens ranging from 10 inches to 15 inches. So all this was possible because of Android. So coming to the history of Android, the code names of Android, that is code names means the versions of Androids. The first version was Astro and the code names or the versions are represented in alphabetical order, that is from A to N number. So the first version was Astro. The first version was used in year 1998. See, ठीक है. So this was developed approximately 22 years back. That is our Android technology for mobiles. So the first version of Android was called as Astro. Second one is Blender. Third one is called as Cupcake. Fourth is Donut. Fifth, Eclairs. Sixth, Froyo. Seventh is Gingerbread. Eighth, Honeycomb. Ninth, Ice Cream. 10th is Sandwich. 11th is Jelly Bean. 12th is Kit Kat. 13th Lollipop. And the current or the recent mobile version of Android which we are using is Marshmallow. So as you can see, all the versions are alphabetically ordered from A up to, we have come up to M. So first was Astro, then Blender, then Cupcake, Donut, Eclair, Froyo, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Ice Cream, Sandwich, Jelly Bean, Kit Kat, Lollipop and Marshmallow. That is the current version of Android. So what is version? Version means the first development stage. That is the first development stage was Astro. So we have updated some new features in Astro. So we developed a new version, that is Blender. In Blender, after few weeks or after few months or after a quarter of months we have included new features, so new version evolved, that was Cupcake. So likewise we have updated the features of the Android according to the changing technology or according to the emerging trends in technology. So currently we are using the latest, that is Marshmallow version of Android in our mobile phones. So likewise versions are given like the history. So first Android version 1.6 is Donut, 2.0 is Eclairs, 2.2 Froyo, 2.3 Gingerbread, 3.0 was Honeycomb, 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich, Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, 4.4 was Kit Kat, 5.0 Lollipop, and 6th or the current is Marshmallow. So these are the different versions. To remember it is very easy. We have to remember it in alphabetical order starting from A. So Aster, then Blender, Cupcake, Donut, Eclair, Froyo, Gingerbread, H for Honeycomb, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, Kit Kat, Lollipop, and Marshmallows. These versions are asked in MSBT questions or MSBT exams. So now coming to Android development tools, that is how we can develop an application in Android or how we can develop our own customized app for different user or for different user requirements. So that's why we have to study about different development tools available in Android. The developer tools let you create interactive and powerful applications for Android platform. What does the development tool does? It provides an powerful and interactive application, that is called as app. App is nothing but an application. So for development of such powerful or interactive apps, we have to use development tools. The tools are categorized into two types mainly, that is SDK tools, software development kit, SDK stands for, and platform tools. Platform tools are platform specific, that is when we are developing for Android, these tools will only be used for Android application development. SDK may support different types of platforms like Java, Linux, etc., iOS. So two main development tools, SDK, software development kit, and platform tools. Platform tools depends on the version of Android. So what are SDK tools? SDK tools are generally platform independent. That is what we have said in the last slide, that SDK tools are generally platform independent and required no matter which Android platform you are working on. So platform independency suggests us that we can use this SDK or software development kit on any version of Android. When you install the Android SDK in your system, these tools get automatically installed. Whenever we will develop an Android application in Android, we have to install that Android Studio program. So while installing that Android Studio program, this SDK, that is software development kit, will automatically get installed in our system. There are many SDKs, but for example we have given as Java SDK. As we have said, two types of development tools mainly, that is SDK tools and platform tools. The platform tools includes operating system, different types of operating system like Windows XP, Mac OS, Linux, Java SDK, Android Studio, and Android IDE. So MSBT related questions are: list the Android versions that we have studied. You have to only list, that's why it's of only 2 marks. And explain the ADT tools or Android development tools. So in this we have to explain about the two tools, that is SDK tools and platform tools, which are necessary to develop an Android application. So what we have learned today about history of Android and Android development tools. So thanks for watching the video lecture. In the next video we will see about the main topic of this unit, that is architecture of Android operating system. This is the most important and frequently asked questions in every MSBT exam for 6 to 8 marks. So thanks for watching. Thank you.